make the Y. So here. We are use the wire 0.8. Then let's go into use this one, make the letter Z. Okay. Hi, Moonrose. Happy to see you. Moonrose, you asked the large beads chain, ball chain is arrival. I will show you later. Okay, so here we are go cut the wire 0.8. Yeah. The size is 8 millimeter, not 6. 6 no gold. We only in silver. Okay, so here let's continue for make the letter Z. Here we are going to make a loop at the beginning. Here, this one. Okay. Then let's go into fold it here to the back. Okay, then bend it and let's here. Then we are going to fold it to the front. Okay, here. Then let's bend it down here. It should be a little bit big. Okay, this we fold too small here. We fold it here, and we're going to fold it to the back and tight. Okay, then tight your plier here, then bend it here. Okay, then next let's bend it to the up, and we tight again and tight at this part here. Okay, so here is the letter Z. We done. Letter Z, the big one. Hello, Southern Crabber. Happy to see you. Okay, this is the letter Z. And then the next, let's make the little Z. Little Z, many people, they make it like this. Here. Fold it to the top. Then put your plier here. Then make a loop. Make a loop like a circle shape. Then the wire go, it bend, fold like this. Okay, then tight this part and bend it. It looks like a 3. Okay, so here the way does make the letter. Okay, so down for the Z. Yeah, this is the way make the Z. Okay, here. Hi, Yanni Burton, happy to see you. So here we just finished making the Z, the last. Yeah, this is the last letters. The letters lessons are finished. The tutorial all finished. So today we are done here. Okay, this one. Then let's